Hello guys. So today this is about the playwright topic. So how to handle the weights in playwright. Okay. So one weight is I can okay. We will handle the weights in the playwright. So this is our project name. Okay. I gave it as P1. Nothing of playwright project. So and see here there are a lot of test cases we have designed it. Okay. And now so what I can do, I'll copy and paste instead of wasting time. So I'll create one more folder, weights concept in playwright, weights in playwright. Okay. So okay, checkboxes is there, right? Checkboxes, validations. Login test. We'll take login test. Login. Okay, what I can do, I'll take this as example. Copy this entire script. So copy this entire script. Let's see. Okay, go to weights folder. Create one file. So under weights, right? First we will see wait for URL. Okay, wait for URL. Wait for URL method. Spec out tables. Copy this. So copy this URL. We will launch this URL. Same script. What I'm doing, I'm using the same script. Go here, launch it. So now Swag Labs, right? Swag Labs is there. And it is telling that. So take this user, standard user, and enter the password. See, now you can see source demo.com slash v1 index.html. After login, we will see, we are getting inventory.html. So this is the validation we will do. So now we are doing the wait for URL method, right? So this is one kind of waits concept in Playwright. So we have launched the URL, we are logging or clicking on the button. So we are doing already the text validation. Along with the text validation, so how wait for URL concept you are going to achieve here. Okay, wait for URL. Wait for URL in Playwright. Okay, this is one Playwright concept. Wait for URL. Okay, come here and just already here we have right page, right? Await, await page dot. You have method called wait for URLs. Wait for URL. So under this URL, so just type here, go here and get this new URL. What are the new URL after login URL? So I'm waiting for this URL. So once the waiting for this URL is successful, then we can say that. So here the concept is after launching the URL, index.html is the v1 version index.html URL. I'm filling the username and the password and clicking on the login button. So once the login happens here, this is the page appears. Instead of going for some other element identification, what I'm doing with the URL validation. So URL is so login is successful. Can we write here log? Okay, log. You can say that here. You can say that login is successful. Successful. Okay, like this. Wait for URL. Now I will run the same script. So I already created the script. I run single test, right? So I'll give the file name. I'll give the path here. Wait for URL method. for the relative part. Provide here run single test. Test tables again. And copy this file name and PM done. Okay. Okay. Log is not a function. We can write it. That is not an issue. But I think it is very, see, here it is text content. We are printing the text, right? So log is not a function. Take out this log. So error is due to log. So we shouldn't provide the logs there. We should provide the log for any assertions. So now this is the URL, right? So it didn't take the log correctly. Okay. So log is used to print the text. Okay. What are the text we are providing? Now see here, the test case is passed. Okay. This is the step, right? This is the step we have provided. The test case is passed. See, once verify user login is successful or not, what I'm doing here, I'm picking the text, then only I'm doing validation here. So before expect only, I'm doing URL validation. The URL validation is successful. Suppose tomorrow, in case the application time is taking more, means the application response is slow. So then, if you want, you can provide the customized timeout here. Here you can provide the customized timeout. So you can provide 2 minutes, even if it is required tomorrow. Like now, application is quick, the execution is very quick, and the execution is happening without any interruptions. In case the application is slow, you will find the response of the application is very slow. Then you can provide this also. So page wait for URL. So this is one example. I hope this is a very helpful session, guys. Thank you.